Today we're going to be comparing with the words good and bad. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use special forms of the words good and bad for making comparisons. But first, let's solve a riddle. Why is the goodest musician holding his flute against his head? Now, if something didn't sound quite right to you in that question, that would be because we have an incorrect form of good being used. Goodest is actually not a word. Any ideas what we can change that to? If you said best, you are well on your way to mastering comparing with good and bad. Why is the best musician holding his flute against his head? Are you ready for the answer? Because he is playing by ear. I'll give you a moment to regain your composure. And now let's move on. Okay, good. The dress rehearsal was good. But what if there was something that was even more outstanding than good? How would we say it? The dress rehearsal was good. Our first performance was better. So something is good, but if it's beyond good, it's better. What's beyond better? Best. Our last performance was best of all. So we have good, better, best. But what if something's not so good? What if something is bad? I had a bad case of stage fright. It was worse in the second act. So something can be bad, but if you need to take it another degree, then it's even worse. But if we take it even further? Worst. The worst stage fright came just before my entrance. So we have good, better, best, and then we have bad, worse, worst. Here's a chart showing when you use the different forms of each word. This chart